go through the gate? Right here. I feel like we stand out like a sore thumb.
Yeah, it will be so much fun.
Yeah.
This is your guys' key. There's a ball underneath the steering wheel. It's gonna clip right in. Other part connects to your life jacket. If you were to fall off, the key's gonna come off with you. Seat will turn off, come to a slow stop. Best way to get back on, that black bar right there in the back is a swim step. Basically push it down. Once you guys get up, it'll go right back into place. Driving, right side's your throttle. Tap it once. It's gonna put you at the idle speed of 4 miles an hour. Once you guys get out to the open ocean, then you can hold it down and go as fast as you want.
So you have to hold that one down to go go faster?
Yes.
Okay.
This is like a car.
Okay.
You know when you put a car in drive,
yeah,
and you let go your brake, you know how your car slowly moves forward? That's just like an idle speed.
Okay.
And once you get out there and you hit the gas, like in your car, same thing. You hit the gas, it's gonna go.
Yeah, all right.
Left side, tap it once, it's gonna put you in neutral. You're basically not gonna go forwards or back.
Oh boy.
Ready?
I'm very scared. I'm scared. Oh, because I don't know how to operate this fucking machine.
Me neither. I was just kind of like nothing.
Dude, I was trying my... Huh? Dude, I barely know how to give it gas. Do you pull that one trigger? I'm so confused.
You pull it one time.
I'm so nervous.
Like you do one pull, it puts it in idle speed.
Oh boy.
Wait, so if you just tap it, it'll put it in
Yeah,
idle?
you hit it once, it puts it in idle.
And how do you go in neutral? The red button?
Yeah, basically, tap it, you're gonna go.
Yeah.
That's idle. Like
You said there's a neutral?
He did.
How do you put it in neutral?
Just tap the left side.
Oh, okay.
So I'm in neutral right now. Basically, you're dead in water. So if you're moving, you know, if you put your car in neutral while you're moving, you're just gonna come to a slow stop.
Okay.
On the dash, top right will say N for neutral, R for reverse, S for forward. Middle will tell you how fast you guys are going. You guys all have plenty of gas. All right. I'm gonna put you guys out at 1250. So you guys are back here at 220. So about 2:05, get that rock ready. Give me that 15 minutes to come back.
Okay, perfect.
When you guys leave the dock, you see that yellow buoy out in the middle? Go straight towards it. It's gonna put you in the middle of the canal, and then keep idling straight down. It'll all hug right.
All right.
For sure.
Biggest thing is to keep guys' distance like 20 feet, and then if you guys want to stop and talk, same thing, just keep your guys' distance.
And then when we get out of the harbor, it's to the right.
Yep, so basically it's all out here. Your bug zone's all here.
All right, cool.
And then when you guys come back, just come straight up the dock. We'll tell you hit the brake about 5 feet away, and then we'll catch the nose of the ski and then get you guys out. All right?
So you said 1250?
220 up here, 205.
205, all right, cool.
One on this one on that one on that one. Step right out.
Oh boy. Ugh. This is my first time. My bad.
You'll be good. Alright, so go ahead and throw the end of that key on your life jacket. You got a little ring down at the bottom left.
Sweet. Sweet.
Alright, go ahead and turn it on. Hold down the red button.
Hold down it.
Yep. Alright, so I'll give you a little push off. Okay, once you just tap that right side and leave it, and you're good.
Okay.
Go for it.
Tap it.
Yep.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, man. This is so scary. Steer towards it?
Don't hit me.
I know. So this is the brake, right?
Yeah.
It's so scary.
Yeah.
I guess you tap this one to go in neutral.
Yeah. That's what he said.
Dude, I'm still figuring this shit out. I'm scared. I'm like, I don't want to fuck up and like hit you or something. Huh? I'm going towards it. We have to stay 20 feet away from each other. Ah. It's scary. Yeah. I'm so fucking, I don't know. Yeah. I'm scared, bro. Yeah, I shouldn't be recording, huh? What do you say?
This is fucking dope.
Bro, I'm already scared. This is already scary. Oh, I'm fucking up. Just at idle speed for 15 minutes. And there's Andrew. If you, yeah, you can't see shit. Where's Andrew? Ah! I fucked up. Dude, I don't know how to ride this fucking thing. I don't know how to ride this fucking thing. You know what I mean? Ah, we're getting too close. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Are you? You're trying to put it? Oh. Man, this thing is scary.
What's the jetty?
I don't know, but I'm scared. Oh, the jetty, didn't he say it's two big rocks on either side?
Rock piles, right?
You can't miss it. It's that one, dude, we'll be looking at the giant open ocean once we see it. Like it'll all narrow down.
Alright.
I think.
This is dope.
And when it narrows down, be careful, you don't hit any big ass ships coming in.
I've got a little hard time not hitting in a massive ocean.
We already almost crashed like 4 times.
I'm buying one of these. Yeah.
I'm buying one of these, he said.
Nah, the fucking payment is like as much as to rent one.
Crazy.
Oh, these are proper. Yeah.
Proper rich people houses, apparently. Oh god, I'm gonna crash.
Ain't no monthly payment on these. Nah, they take cash or nothing.
There they are.
They don't do interest free. Nah.
Damn, we're almost at the jetties.
That one, oh, shit.
Go wider, go wider, go wider.
Yeah.
We're almost there. Huh? Getting the shot. Getting the shot of Breezy and Los going 4 miles an hour. Oh, he's tapping the throttle. This fucking dude. Ah! You just gotta be careful. You don't get too close to anywhere. You start fucking drifting into each other. You know what I mean? Okay, there's a boat back there. For
We're smashing. Let's not be super close to each other.
yeah, let's stay a little bit. Yeah, we don't want to fuck up. Ah! This is too funny. Oh shit, we're almost there. I just saw. Where? I saw a kelp in the water. I almost hit that shit. You gotta be careful of that shit. It was a big brown thing. Where exactly do we get to go fast? Once we get into the ocean? Oh, okay. Nervous? Are you aware that it smells like the ocean? Are you aware of the understanding? Don't get caught speeding. Nice. I didn't expect that. That was the first time I hit the throttle.
Really?
I think so. Like really hit it a little bit. Hilarious. He wonders what the... Yeah, I mean, dude, we won't go that far. This is pretty sick. This is pretty dope nasty. And I haven't even gone full throttle yet. Ah! Hilarious. There's people up there. Ah! There's a Los over there. Hilarious. There's a fucking seal over there. That's hilarious. Damn, this is gonna be hella fun once I get to get on the throttle. On the throttle. Bro, this is fucking crazy. Mr. Breezy, Mr. Breezy. Getting the shot. Okay, this dude hitting the gas. Ah! It gets up to 8 so quickly. And that's only because I'm letting off. It's cool out here. Hilarious. You got Mr. Breezy back there? What's up, Mr. Breezy? What's up?